He's been farting the whole time he's been asleep, y'all. When I say this car been stank, it's been funky.
So cute. He's so big.
Somebody is hollering, okay? He's tearing it up, y'all. Fuck that shit to the last guy. I free bitch of the world today, y'all. Hey, the kids dropped off with a lick at. Y'all don't be looking at my butt, dang. I know I'm beat. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kawena. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I gotta take little Brix to his appointment today, and I'm kind of in a rush because I literally have to leave in like 2 minutes. He actually already went to his 12-week checkup, so I'm not sure what we have to go for, maybe rabies, but whatever it is, we have to get going and we cannot be late, okay? Come on, Brix. You was waiting on mommy on the balcony? Y'all, he was tearing up this paper towel. I just let him do what he do, okay? Do what he do. Come on, baby, come on. Let's go. He can kind of get away with whatever right now because Biscuit's not here. Biscuit is actually at Pup Street, and then after I take him to his appointment, I will be dropping his ass off at Pup Street. Okay? We have made it to the car. This man with the baby. I love him so much. Oh yeah, don't mind the blanket because he be scratching at my seat so bad, okay? But we about to get your nails cut today, Bookie, okay? I do have an hour drive. As y'all know, I live in Tampa, but I take him to a vet all the way in Indian Rocks Beach. So I came across this vet when I bought Biscuit because they recommended it and his first appointment was free. So ever since Biscuit's first free appointment, I have fallen in love with this place, and they're also cheaper than all the vets and clinics around me. So I would definitely drive an hour to save money, okay? I did go to the gym this morning and I didn't even eat. However, I am about to stop at Grain and Berry and get me a little smoothie, okay? So like I said, I just made it to Grain and Berry. I've been obsessed with Grain and Berry lately. Like Smoothie King, none of that has been, you know, doing this thing. Hello. Pick up for, it might be under K or Kawena, one of the two. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You too. I'm telling you, love them down. Love them down. But yeah, so like I was saying, my obsession been Grain and Berry lately. Smoothie King hasn't been doing it. Planet Smoothie, let's not even talk about it. But Grain and Berry, yeah. They've been graining something now, right? You waiting on me? He's so clingy. I love him so much. I love you too much. And if you want to know what I get from Grain and Berry, I get the health nut with extra peanut butter. It comes with banana, peanut butter, plant-based peanut butter, protein, and honey. And then I get extra peanut butter on top of it because why not? But we are finally on the way to Brix' appointment. So we will check in once we get there, my little bookie. He don't do nothing but sleep, y'all. For right now. For right now. With the word in the hand. We made it, buddy. You woke up, buddy? All right, guys, we have made it to Brix' appointment. I am on time, 11:30 on the dot. Okay, 11:30 on the dot, yo! He's been farting the whole time he's been asleep, y'all. When I say this car been stank, it's been funky. Okay, it's been funky. Pop that thing, let it clap, ride this beat while you sit on my loud. Fuck that shit to the last guy. I free bitch of the world today, yo. Oh, you scratching the shit out of me. What's up, buddy? What's up, bud? All right, come on. You gotta go potty, buddy? Go potty, come on. I don't want you to pee on them people's floor. Good boy. I don't know if you could go up these big old steps yet, but we gonna see. These are kind of big. Let's see if you're a big boy. Come on. Good job, buddy.
Give me a heart attack letting that baby walk around.
I'm teaching him steps. He's learning stairs.
What's the baby's name again?
Brix.
His little
Yeah,
ear. Look at your ear.
He's such a sweetheart too.
So cute. He's so big.
I wonder how much he weighs.
He's getting big. No. Look.
Sit, buddy.
What's it say?
11.8.
You getting big.
11? I'm shocked.
11 pounds.
And now you guys see why I bring him here. You see the treatment that my doggies get. Okay. This is so sad. It says if this light is lit, someone is saying goodbye to their beloved pet. This is so sad. Hey, buddy. It's your buddy. Somebody is hollering, okay? You spoiled. You spoiled, yeah. Mommy. It's scared because you hear that dog crying. He's a good boy.
All right, little poke and we're done.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
Yes, you are.
He's so sweet.
Good boy. You did so good.
Done.
He's so good.
Look how brave you are.
I didn't even feel it.
No, not at all.
Yeah, big boy.
Perfect. Good job.
Thank you, guys.
Well,
Of course.
Yeah, shitty boy. As long as you do it before we get in this car, okay? By the way, Bethany is doing amazing, y'all. She is still her, period. Brix! I'm so sorry.
Wow, you're a pretty thing.
Thank you. All right, you guys, we have made it back to Tampa. Well, I would say to the Brandon area. Currently right now is 1 p.m. and I cannot drop him off back to Pup Street until 2. They're closed from 12 to 2 for quiet time. In the meantime, I'm going to go in Best Buy because I've been trying to find like a good car mount for my camera and my phone for the longest, and I can't find one, you know? Hopefully they let dogs in here because I actually don't know. But how cute is this little Brix? Like, come on now, who could come out? For real. I love this little buddy.
Oh my goodness. So beautiful.
Thank you. Y'all, I don't know what that noise is in here. I don't even know if y'all can hear me over it. Okay. Look at God. But I'm looking at the car mounts. I see something that go in the vent. That's not the one I'm looking for. I need one that's like super sturdy because I don't want like the content that I'm gonna film in the car to be all shaky and bouncing and stuff. You know what I mean? They have like that one. I don't want that. I was low-key hoping to find one that's universal that I could put my camera on and my phone, but I don't know. So guys, I think I'm gonna get this one. I can't find one specifically for a camera, but I think this is good enough. People looking at me crazy because of how I'm carrying him. This is how he likes to be carried. Like, I don't know. And then he be climbing more up on my shoulder. Like, I don't know. But this one my baby like to see. So mind your business.
Yes, Selena?
Yes. Oh, you said it right. You have fun in Best Buy, buddy? You have fun in Best Buy, buddy? So yeah, I did, mommy. You said, yeah, I did, mommy. Boy, don't give me a heart attack. So they had an Ulta in the plaza next over from Best Buy, so I decided to stop in here really quick. Came in here for the hair and scalp balm by Sacred. That's really the only thing I need, and I found it. It's right here. I see Sacred came out with a rock and set foam. They came out with some stronghold gel, thermal shield mist, and like a couple more new products, but I don't think I'm gonna get it today. Huh. They even came out with some mousse, and y'all know I love a wash and go.
You too, yeah. And I'll be right here. $38.70 is gonna be your total. You're all set.
All right, thank you so much. All right, I have to come put my Ulta in the car. We're about to go in Petco right now. I want to find him like a little ice cream or a little pup cup. I know whenever I was a kid and I went to the doctor and I skipped school, you know, my mama always got me some ice cream or something, so. He's so little. But yeah, so like I said, we're about to go in Petco and find him a little cold treat. It's hot too, so let's see what we can find. You finding it? Because I'm not finding it, baby. Hold on. So I see this frozen dog treat and it says peanut butter and banana, which I know he likes. But that's so huge. Like, I was looking for like pup cup size, you know? So this big one is the only thing they had. But you deserve it, buddy. You deserve it, buddy.
And $12.90 is going to be today's total, so it's going to ask about a donation first. Thank you. I hope.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, so cute.
Thank you. She's cute too. All right, hopefully y'all can hear me over the AC, but the AC got to be on right now, okay? It's hot. So like I said in the store, they didn't have any pup cup size ice cream, so I got him a whole 14 fluid ounce, okay? Of course I'm not gonna let him eat all of this. Like, what? Ooh, it looks good. Some of these dog treats be looking so good. Like, I be wanting to lick it and then I have to remember like it's dog ice cream. Like, ooh, he like it, y'all. Look. He's tearing it up, y'all. So I guess whenever it get down where I feel like he ain't enough hell, I'ma take it. But he is going ham right now. Brix. Y'all think he had enough yet? So currently right now it's 1:52, so I have 8 minutes before I could drop him off. I'm pretty sure the place is 8 minutes away, so I'm gonna just go ahead and head there now. Hopefully I get to see Biscuit for a little bit. I don't know, I'm gonna ask them. All right, so we just got to Pup Street. I'm walking in with Biscuit's heart guard, so I clearly have to see him to give him this, so I'm excited.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Hi, guys, you came back.
I got my shots, guys.
That's good.
I did so
All right.
good. I crushed it up and put it on top of the ice cream, so hopefully he eat it, because Biscuit is a little curious, okay? Hi, baby. Hi, mommy, baby. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Look, I got you a little treat. Sit. 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 I want you to spill it. Here.
He knows.
All right, the kids dropped off. What a lick at. What a lick at. But I told y'all Biscuit is very curious, so he did taste the heart guard. Like the ice cream didn't help at all. He was literally eating around it, and then the girl helped me open his mouth and then like shove it down in there. So you know, no worries, heart is all protected, you know. But yeah, so for right now I'm gonna take it home. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do anything else today, but you know, we'll see. All right, YouTube, I'm now back home. As you can see, I just thought I should end this vlog off with opening some Amazon packages that was at my door when I got home. I low-key forgot what I ordered, but I know I ordered some content stuff. For one, my tripod had broke, so I know I had to get another one of those, and then I was just ordering stuff as I was seeing stuff on Amazon, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead and start opening these packages. This is kind of heavy. Oh, so this is actually not content related. These are some workout leggings. I actually forgot I ordered these because the shipping got delayed, so I'm actually glad that they came. So this is what they look like, and I think it's 4 pairs in here. There's a black pair. These are really cute, actually. And they came in like this sage green color. I'm in love with sage green, so this is definitely a plus for me. Next package should be some content stuff, I'm pretty sure. I think this is clearly the tripod because this is the biggest bag. So I ordered a clip-on ring light that clips onto my phone or to my camera. I do be in a lot of dark settings, whether that's like nightlife or whatever. So this is gonna come in handy, okay? And I was right, this is the tripod. So let me go ahead and get this out. So the tripod I had was broke for a very long time. I just knew how to maneuver with it. So because it was broke, it wasn't very steady, and it also was very short. This tripod is supposed to be 74 inches. And the way the mount is supposed to maneuver, it's supposed to let me record in portrait mode with my camera. Ooh, I think it comes in like a little traveling case. Ooh, I like this bag. This is nice. I'm ready to carry her around. This is nice. And the thing that fell out of the box is just the phone mount. Pretty simple. I'm pretty sure y'all done seen this like 1,000 times. So let's go ahead and open her up. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is definitely to my height expectations. Like the tripod is giving Wizard Kelly vibes. Like that's what I needed though, for real, because y'all know I'm like 6'3", you know? Yeah, y'all, this is big, and I mean real big. Oh my God, this is crazy. Let me back it up so y'all can see the height. Y'all don't be looking at my butt, dang. I know I'm big. But as you guys can see, I am 5'8". I think that's like, I don't know, 67 inches, 66, 68, something like that. So the other tripod that I had that broke literally only came to like half the height. All right, so I got this top piece on, and I think that's pretty much it of putting all the pieces together. So I didn't put the feet on because I forgot, but I'll do it later. Y'all get the point, okay? So I mean, I guess I didn't need this for the tripod after all. I don't even know what kind of screwdriver this is. This definitely not Philip. It must be a William or something, because I don't know. I do have one more Amazon package to open. This, I don't know what it is for real. I forgot. Y'all, how can I be forgetting that I ordered this stuff? So yes, I ordered microphones, okay? So this is what they look like. They're compatible with my phone or my camera. And I do have a windbreaker on my camera. If y'all ever see that little gray thing, that's not a mic, that's a windbreaker. It's not to like isolate your voice. However, I now have a mic, so I'm not gonna have this problem, okay? But that is all I have for today's vlog. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because that is where I interact and update y'all the most. But all of my social medias will be down in the description below. Leave a comment down below what was your favorite part of the vlog and what you want to see next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, YouTube.